Hello, are you ready to access your AHN Mychart account and manage your health records online? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the AHN Mychart Login process, making it easy and convenient for you to stay connected with your healthcare providers. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter mychart.on.org quote into the address bar to access the website. You can log in from the right side of the screen. Enter your username in the first field. Then enter your password in the field below and click on the Sign In button. If you don't remember your username, click here. If you don't remember your password, click here to reset it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials and healthcare tips. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep providing valuable content. Let's learn and grow together in the world of digital health.